together the flight of 400 drones taking to the sky to light up this 65,000-year-old story.
How friggin' cool do they look?
If you follow Wharf, the Brisbane River, out to the port, you will find a string of beautiful islands, the Moreton Bay Islands. But they weren't always there. It was this way. At that time, Moreton Island, Stradbroke, St Helena, Mud and Coochie Mudlow and all those little islands joined the Australian mainland. And it was one big landmass.
Wow.
It was a beautiful place, populated by many tribes with vibrant landscapes where the animal clans flourished on the land and in the water. Warden the Crow, the head of his tribe, led his clan through the mountain ranges and along the valleys of southeast Queensland. His nephew, Meanjin the Chicken Hawk, a shark hunter, skillfully captured his prey along the coastline.
That's amazing.
And just off the coast was a majestic creature of the deeper waters, the whale. We call him Nieergoo. But
Wow.
this was also a time of war. Rage between the animal totems of the inland tribes and the saltwater clans.
Wow.
A battle for territory.
Oh no.
The birds.
That's so incredible.
And Meanjin the Chicken Hawk waged war with Nieergoo the whale.
Oh my gosh. I hope the boys can see it right now. Wow.
Warden aimed his poison spear at Nieergoo, but each time Nieergoo dodged the
I
weapon.
know.
Nephew Meanjin the Chicken Hawk said, "Give me the spear. Let me have a go." "No, I'll get him," said Warden, and threw the poison spear. But after many times, he failed. At last, Meanjin the Chicken Hawk seized the spear and made a mighty stroke which caught Nieergoo the whale on the back of his head. Out gushed a rush of blood and water. Nieergoo the whale lashed around and around in agony and fury, spouting out water. Huge waves formed, rising higher and higher. Nieergoo the whale was determined. tsunami and flooded the land in all directions, all the way to the Great Dividing Range in the west, north to the Diagula Range, south to Tamarine Mountains, and cutting off portions of the mainland and so forming the islands of Moreton Bay. See his shape in the landscape near the port of Brisbane to this day.
Wow. That's amazing. Turn around to be in the picture. Wow. Oh, that's amazing. Woohoo! Just there, look. See them all stopping? Oh, they're going back to land on the pontoon.
It's alright.
So cool.